Hey everybody, Rich Noto here, Florida licensed realtor, Florida licensed home inspector, Florida notary public loan signing agent certification, your construction trained realtor out here on this hot and sunny day in Pensacola, Florida. We're at the reserve at Brookhaven from D.R. Horton. We're going to check out this house called the Destin Model. So Pensacola, let's just talk about it briefly. Pensacola's basically at the northwest point of Florida, and it's on the border of Alabama. So when you think about that, you know, you're talking about kind of a different climate. It's still hot, but not as hot as, say, you know, Tampa or Naples, typically. I mean, it does get hot, but typically it's not as hot. Let's go inside and have a look at the Destin. A lot of trucks. I do have other videos of the Destin Model. I'm kind of looking at the colors and everything, which is kind of why I'm quiet. It's kind of interesting. I like it. Nice shade of blue. And I like the floors a lot too. Sometimes it's hard to look and make videos at the same time, because I haven't seen this model. You know, I have seen the Destin in other communities, but not here, so it's kind of different, kind of interesting. All right, so here's your living room, kitchen, and dining room. You can see it's a big room. Look at that. Super large. Let's see what we have over here. We got here's the pantry. There's your laundry room. We have a bedroom. So I think I have a video of this possibly in, oh, what town is it again? It's that community, I think it's called a ranch or something. Can't think of it, it'll come to me. Plant City. I think that the Plant City one, no, was empty. Yep, so here again you could see, because it's elevated, you got that railing on the side. And here's a bathroom. And here we have a large bedroom. So this community is going to have a lot of homes. It's going to be pretty big when it's completed. They have a lot of land towards the rear of it where you know, homes are going to be built in the future. This is a nice bathroom too, nice and large. Wow, look at this closet. Really big closet, look at that. Okay, so the Destin Model. This is a really good one too. It's, especially if you like single-story homes. You know, you have your nice garden tub. plus your separate shower. Did I get the toilet in the closet room? I think that's right here. Yep, here's the toilet in the closet room. Yeah, very big master bedroom. But I think that the focus of this house, I guess you could say, is this room right here. Just a huge room. I mean, you could see, because look, over there is a dining room table. Over there's a kitchen table. So, it's a big room. Yeah, this is a really big room. And the bedrooms are a pretty decent size as well. Yeah, this bedroom's a decent size. How's this closet? Yeah, pretty good size closet too. So yeah, so Destin's another good house.